Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger.
And I'm Disney.
Hey Disney, where are we tonight?
We are at Disney Springs.
We're at Disney Springs, but where are we headed to now?
Port Orleans Resort.
We're gonna go over to the Port Orleans Resort here on the docks of the Sassagoula Steamboat Company. That's right, you can take a boat from Disney Springs all the way over to Port Orleans. We are gonna pick up what Disney has been wanting to do since February.
Yeah.
Disney, what do you want to do tonight?
I want to go get some beignets.
Beignets? Just any old kind of beignets though?
No, New Orleans Tiana beignets.
That's strange.
Spice.
Pumpkin spice? Wow, that sounds really interesting. But Disney, let's not forget, we're gonna do some shopping over at the resort too, right?
I want to see all the Port Orleans and Tiana merchandise.
That's right. So come along with us as we check out Port Orleans, beignets, and shopping. Let's go! What do we have here, Disney?
We have pumpkin spice beignets here at Port Orleans. I'm going to try it without the chocolate drizzle first. It is so fluffy. Delicious. I'm going to try it with the chocolate.
Now, Disney, you were supposed to have this earlier this year, right? And
Yes.
you missed out on it because you ran out of time, right?
Yeah, we ran out of time, but now I can finally eat it. Oh my gosh, the chocolate drizzle is so delicious. These are pumpkin, and I don't really taste too much pumpkin. I think it's more of the powder. So let me get more powder over here. I think the powder really brings out the pumpkin in it, and they're really good. Definitely suggest coming here and getting some beignets. On the beignet there is some brown cinnamon pumpkin spice on it. And this is what brings the pumpkin flavor to it, because rather than without this pumpkin spice, it's just a regular beignet.
Yeah, very cinnamony. I love
Very
it.
cinnamon.
Cinnamony. I love cinnamon. Light and fluffy.
We just got done eating the beignets, and now let's do a quick shop for Port Orleans merch and Tiana merch. So I always have to start with the ears, because those are my favorite merchandise. We have some scented beignet ears. Really do smell like beignets, delicious. And then on the back it says beignet all day. I could definitely eat beignets all day.
Yeah, because you got some there in the bag right
Yeah.
there. Beignets in the bag, beignets on your head.
And it's a Loungefly ears too.
Ooh, look at, oh, I didn't notice that. Okay, let me focus. There we go, all right.
Then we have some Tiana ears down here. And these are $29.99. If we come over here, we have this hat accessory. That is a princess collection.
Color Courtney.
Yes. And this is $39.99. This is, it looks like, oh, this is the fly. And
Firefly?
this
Okay.
is the firefly, and this is her flower. And then over here we have Dreams Made Real.
Plop it on your head.
Oh, look at the inside. They have a crown and some flowers. And then we have this purse down here of Tiana. $34.99, and it says Tiana.
Scat Cats is a club here at Port Orleans Resort. And if you'd like to get a drink, and listen to some live jazz music, this is a place to come.
And we have a cup too.
$34.99
Yep.
for the cup.
So the shirt is $29.99. And then we have the mug up here that matches, and this is $14.99.
I have this one right here. It says hand wash only. I had it for like 3-4 months. It's fine.
It's what?
It's fine. I put it on the dishwasher.
Oh, okay, cool.
The first time I was like, no, don't put it on the dishwasher. My dad was like, Richard, it's fine, chill.
Have a Naveen shirt which says "What's Poppin'?" Quarter leaves. And then over here we have it again, just in a different color.
Oh, yeah, they're like different greens?
Yeah.
That's weird. How much are those?
$19.99.
That's a nice, reasonable shirt.
And down here we have Tiana with Port Orleans Resort French quarters. This is $36.99. Here we have a Tiana Port Orleans French quarters cup. This is $26.99. And over here we have a thermos. This is $39.99. And then down here we have a sweatshirt, and this is Tommy Bahama.
Oh my goodness. A Tommy Bahama like sweatshirt.
Yeah. And this is $125.
Oh, wow. Now we're talking Disney Stranger language here.
Yes. This is the white one.
Very nice.
New Port Orleans Tommy Bahama shirt for $110.
Oh, wow. Tommy Bahama.
So here we have Port Orleans traveling bag.
Oh, the Spartina 449.
Yep.
But this is the New Orleans version of the bag. $44.
$44.
Grand Floridian Hotel has one too.
And this is like the crossbody one. $74.
In the large tote.
It's $128.
That's a great print.
Here we have a Tiana doll. Okay, we have a Tiana doll, and over here we have like a notepad. This is $8.
And that's a Spartina 449.
Yes.
And I would imagine that this scarf,
Yes. And this is $48.
Spartina 449.
Here we have Tiana merchandise. We have a cup, which is $19.99 with Tiana on it. And here we have like this mug cup. It's actually really heavy. This is $22.99. Yes. Good quality.
Oh,
Probably.
this is a good throw to the film here. A restaurant
Yes.
fun mug.
Yeah. Nice.
Tiana collecting to make
Very
their own
heavy.
restaurant, right? And this is also
A Color Me Courtney
Okay.
Disney Princess. This is $19.99.
a nice thick mug too, like a good 4-finger, 5-finger mug right there.
Yeah. Then we have her cooking mitts. And this is $21.99. And then we have this Tiana backpack.
Who makes the bag?
This is just a Disney bag for $29.99. Look at this Haunted Mansion candle.
Haunted Mansion, okay.
Yeah, because Haunted Mansion at Disneyland is Port Orleans area.
That's true.
So,
Good call on that.
Happy Haunts.
What's it smell like? Hopefully not dead bodies.
Does smell very misty and Haunted Mansion-y. And then like around it, it's like gravestones. Very interesting. Master Gracie.
Here
And
lies
this
good old
is
Fred.
30.
A great big rock fell on his head.
This is $34.99. I do love Disney candles. They smell so good.
We have a voodoo candle?
I don't know. I mean, it looks like a poison apple. Can't
Oh, yeah, like a candy apple.
Yeah, this is $34.99. Can't open it. Oh, spiced apple. Definitely apple.
I guess that's what voodoo smells like.
50th candle. It smells pretty good. It doesn't say what flavor though. And this is $29.99. We have some kitchen Tiana supplies. Trash cans for salt and pepper shakers. This is actually very cute. $9.99 this is. The gumbo. And then we have this, I guess
Flour sifter.
yeah.
Not many people sift flour these days, but if you sift flour and you like Tiana, this is for you.
$19.99. And here is a cup with a spoon, like to stir your tea. Very nice. This is $19.99. We have this rolling pin. This is $29.99. Very heavy. And
I wonder if they're more for show or they actually are for making, baking.
this is like ceramic. Here we have
Cups,
different measuring
1/4 cup, measuring cups, yeah.
$29.99. And here we have
Strawberry holder.
yep. And this is $39.99.
What's it say on the side?
Good food is a balancing act.
Oh, and here you can display your beignets.
$39.99 for that.
This?
Yep. And then here for $21.99 and then okay. So here's a Tiana spatula. This is $14.99 and it's really cool because on this side it has the different measuring for different ingredients.
It's also good when you misbehave, Disney.
No. Then here we have a Tiana apron. This is very cute. $34.99. And here we have a Tiana t-shirt. Cool design. It does seem very see-through.
Very thin, yes.
Make sure to wear a shirt or something underneath it. This is $36.99.
New Orleans food, Disney. What do we have here?
We have some beignets.
Beignet mix, yes. Cafe du Monde. They use the same recipe they use in New Orleans here at the resort. This is what you get when you order Mickey Beignets. They just shape them differently, but it's the same recipe. And you can take it home. It's $7.99 for the box. Oh, and Disney, do you know when I was growing up, when I first went to New Orleans, we actually bought from Cafe du Monde and we made beignets. Grandma Stranger made beignets and they were pretty good. She did a good job. And we have here some blackened Cajun spices, seasoning,
Yeah.
gumbo Creole.
Yeah, we have gumbo base if you would like to make that on your Disney trip.
With a praline mix. You put your pralines with this mix here, put a coating on them, and I bet you they taste delicious. Have a good night, guys.
Thanks, you as well. Thanks for stopping in.
Thank you, Gracie. Thanks again, everyone, for joining us here on this Disney Stranger Adventure here at
Port Orleans.
That's right, we're here at Port Orleans. We really appreciate you guys coming by and spending some shopping time and some beignet eating with us tonight. Hey, Disney, before we go, our friend Benji has something very important to say. And Benji, what is that?
Hi, my name is Benji. I work here at Port Orleans French Quarter, and don't forget to work forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.